the dawn of a new harvest, where technology meets nature in vast broccoli fields. Precision harvesting begins with automated cutting, ensuring quality and efficiency. Modern logistics ensure fresh broccoli reaches our state-of-the-art processing facility swiftly and efficiently. Freshly harvested broccoli arrives, signaling the start of a meticulous journey. Precision engineering ensures efficient and gentle handling of the raw produce. The journey continues as broccoli moves efficiently through the initial processing stage. Freshly harvested broccoli begins its journey, meticulously sorted under bright lights. Each head undergoes careful scrutiny, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. The inspected broccoli advances, nearing the powerful primary cutting machines. Colossal machinery transforms fresh broccoli into perfect florets with precision. This multi-story marvel uses advanced technology to maximize efficiency and yield. Circular blades execute swift, precise cuts, ensuring uniform floret size. Robotic sorting ensures only the highest quality florets proceed for canning. Advanced sensors ensure every floret meets stringent quality standards. From whole heads to perfectly uniform florets, automation redefines broccoli processing. Precision cutting delivers perfectly sized broccoli florets for quality assessment. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The expert meticulously examines each floret, ensuring consistency and quality. Rigorous quality checks ensure only the finest broccoli continues to the next stage. High-pressure water jets meticulously cleanse each floret, ensuring ultimate purity. Every crevice of the broccoli is reached, ensuring comprehensive cleanliness. Emerging pristine, the broccoli is now ready for the next stage of processing. Freshly washed broccoli florets begin their journey through the immense steam blancher. This precise steam blanching ensures ideal texture and vibrant color for the broccoli. Through its vast length, the blancher prepares each floret for optimal quality. Precision timing is crucial for achieving the perfect blanching result. The blanched broccoli is now perfectly prepared for the next stage of processing. From steam to ice, the rapid cooling process begins. Precision technology maintains the optimal temperature for perfect preservation. The chilling journey ensures peak freshness and vibrant color. Every floret undergoes rigorous quality control, ensuring perfection. The cooling process perfected, preparing the broccoli for its final can journey. Precision cooling is essential for maintaining freshness and quality. Every floret undergoes rigorous temperature verification to guarantee optimal conditions. Detailed records are meticulously maintained to uphold stringent quality standards. Cooled broccoli florets begin their journey, flowing towards the advanced optical sorting machines. AI-powered optical sorters stand ready, a testament to precision and modern food safety. Every floret is rigorously inspected, ensuring only premium quality proceeds to the next stage. Human operators vigilantly monitor the automated process, ensuring optimal performance. Each individual floret represents the pinnacle of quality and technological achievement. The expertly sorted broccoli moves onward, a testament to efficiency and unwavering quality. Sophisticated computer vision identifies even the slightest imperfections, ensuring only premium florets continue the journey. This sophisticated optical sorting guarantees only the highest quality broccoli florets proceed to the next stage of production. State-of-the-art automation ensures a continuous, high-speed flow of cans, ready for meticulous preparation. Every can undergoes rigorous cleaning, a crucial step in maintaining the highest standards of food safety and quality. This intricate dance of thousands of cans ensures a constant supply, meticulously prepared for the next stage of production. Precision engineering ensures hundreds of cans are filled per minute with vibrant broccoli florets. This automated system ensures consistent quality and efficiency. The immense rotary filler works tirelessly, a marvel of modern food production. Every can is consistently filled, a testament to automated efficiency. Advanced sensors ensure each can is filled to the exact, predetermined weight. Precision is key as hot brine fills each can, preserving the broccoli's freshness and quality. Hot brine flows with perfect accuracy, ensuring uniform preservation for every single can. The filled cans are now ready for sealing, maintaining optimal freshness and taste. From precise filling to seamless transition, automation guarantees consistent product quality. Advanced robotics swiftly places lids, hermetically sealing each can with pinpoint accuracy and incredible speed. Each can is a perfect capsule, ready to deliver fresh-tasting broccoli to consumers worldwide. The journey culminates, perfectly sealed, robust cans, ready for global distribution. Advanced robotics ensure precision loading, preparing thousands of cans for sterilization. Each basket, meticulously filled, represents a batch ready for the critical sterilization phase. Giant retort chambers await, where critical sterilization transforms raw ingredients. Inside, intense heat and pressure sterilize the canned product, ensuring safety and quality. From loading to sterilization, every step is automated, maximizing output and hygiene. This state-of-the-art facility ensures every can meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Sterilization begins as massive doors securely seal, ensuring optimal processing conditions. Advanced systems meticulously monitor rising temperatures, crucial for food safety. Multiple displays ensure precise control over every critical sterilization parameter. This precise process guarantees the safety and quality of every canned broccoli product. Precision quality control ensures every can meets the highest standards of safety and freshness. Every can's integrity is paramount. Precision analysis guarantees a perfect, airtight seal. Advanced sensors and lasers meticulously scan every millimeter of the can's critical seal. This rigorous inspection guarantees only perfectly sealed, high-quality products reach consumers. Precision mechanics flawlessly apply vibrant labels, transforming plain cans into recognizable products. Each can, now a vibrant beacon of quality, is ready for its next destination. The journey concludes, a triumph of precision and efficiency in every perfectly labeled can. Precision robotics ensure every can of broccoli is perfectly positioned for packaging. Each case is filled with meticulous precision, ready for the next stage of distribution. Once filled, the cases are securely sealed and ready for the next step in their journey. Automated guided vehicle efficiently move freshly cased broccoli, ensuring optimal quality and timely delivery. Silent and precise, these advanced AGVs navigate the vast warehouse with unparalleled accuracy. Witness the automated marvel where vast inventories of canned broccoli are meticulously managed by advanced robotics. Every can of broccoli, from harvest to inventory, represents a triumph of modern industrial efficiency. From raw produce to ready shelves, our automated systems ensure perfect preservation and swift distribution.